All right. Okay, so what we have to do now is we have to put these beads on top of here. So back to the tape again. I actually kind of want to twist them a little bit, but this will twist, so. Okay, so you see what we're doing is, all we're doing is taking them and we're going to put them right here. And they should have a little bit of a droopy guy. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do, is put them on like that. Except I'm starting over here because this is where I can see it. There we go. I know this is so exciting to watch. Oh, I was going to pipe the border before I put those on. All right, well, that's okay. We can do that. Not a problem. I forgot to pipe the border. So let's try this again. All right. Are we on? We are. Okay, and then I gave it a little bit of turn because I want these to kind of go at an angle, because this guy is going to be at an angle. So I wanted the beads to kind of swivel a little bit. And then we're going to attach this just like that onto the sides here. Now we can do this in a couple ways. Isomalt, if you put isomalt on this and hot isomalt on there, it'll attach to the fondant and it won't come off. I'm going to go ahead and try the sugar adhesive. I'm not sure if this is too heavy for it, so we'll find out. But we'll find out right now. If otherwise, I'll use the isomalt. Okay, so we just put that on. You're supposed to hold it for 10 seconds. Okay, well, it looks like that works. Okay, so we'll just put those on in the in-between parts. Okay, so I've got my connector on here, this guy. Just screwed it on. I want to put it on before I put on the cake because it's going to be a lot easier to get it on that way. I did not screw it all the way on because I still got to get this guy in too. So let's get the cake on. Okay, so this is where it's starting to get heavy. And it's about time I put it on its stand. It's not meant to stand on that little itty bitty piece, that 6-inch piece. Don't worry about that, that's all gonna get covered up. This whole connector piece here. Okay, so what we need to do now is we need to get the stuff out of there. We need to get this piece on. This is the eye piece. And you want to make sure you got that on nice and tight. So I'm going to use my pliers to help me. Okay, I think it's on. Hope it is. We'll find out when we lift it. It'll come crashing down if I don't have it on tight. Okay. So I'm going to lift it over here. I got to find my S-hook. So don't drop it. Make sure that's in right. Okay. And then we're going to put this on. It's heavy. On the stand, and now I'll bring it up. Okay. So here it is, hanging upside down. So now what we have to do is we have to get that last bit of stuff on it.